Good day everybody! Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay undefined terms. We are now in grade 7, quarter 3, module 1. Now let us define first geometry. Geometry comes from two Greek words, that is geo, which means earth, and metri, which means measurement. Simply, geometry means earth measurement. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. And we have the so-called undefined terms. So a word or term which does not require any further explanation or elaboration. We will just be using representation. And in geometry, we are using the point, line, and plane. Let's define each. So when you say point, it denotes a position in space. It has no dimension, no width, no length, or no depth. It does not occupy an area since there is no dimension. Also, points are represented by dots and named using capital letters. Say for example, we have this one. This is the tip of finger, and this one is the tip of pen. They are representing a point. And also the tip of nose. And this one, drop of water, and also the corner of a hoop board. Now let us have the line. A line is a series of points that extends in opposite directions without end. So it is a combination of points. It doesn't have any width, but there is a length. It is represented by double arrows and named by using 2 points on the line or by a single small letter. It is named by placing the symbol above the letter. So this one. Suppose I have there the line. Let us name this one. So this is line AB or BA. So as you see, there is a simple line here. Or we can say that it is a line D. This one. We can use the script letter. Example of a line: the body of your pencil, curtain rod, and edge of ruler. Now let us have a plane. So a plane is a flat surface. It extends indefinitely in all directions. It has no thickness and contains an infinite number of points and lines. Also, a plane is named by 3 letters or more capital letters represented by the point on it or by any small letter to represent the plane. So it consists of a point and a line. Example, we have here the plane. Let us name this one. So as I said, plane can be named using the point. So as you see, there are 4 points here. Point L, point O, point V, and point E. And we have the script letter D. Okay, and we have the line. Plane consists of 4 lines. Line LE, line EV, line VO, and line LO. Now let us name the plane by 3 letters. So we have plane LOV, LOV. Plane OVE, OVE. Plane VEL, plane VEL. Plane ELO. So those are the how you will name the plane by 3 letters. And we can use 4 letters. So we can have plain L-O-V-E. And by using this capital script letter, we can name this plane as plane D. So this plane can be named by 6 ways. Next example, we have the top of the table. So this is an example of a plane. Also, the page of a book and the mirror. Now, using the figure at the right, let us answer the following. Number 1, name all the points. So let us use this one. We have here the point L, point W, point X, point Y, and point Z. So those are the points. Number 2, name all the lines using a script letter. So we have here line A, this line, and then line B, line C, this line, and line D. Okay, so there is another one script letter, but it's not a small script letter, and there's no line representing this script letter. Number 3, what is the other name for line A? So we have here the line A, this one, line A. So we can call this one line as line WZ or line ZW. So as we all know, line can be named by 2 letters. Number 4, using a script letter, name the plane formed by the 4 lines. So as we all know, these 4 lines, A, B, C, D, creates a plane. Inside this plane is a script letter N, and that is the name of our plane. That is plane N. Next, number 5, name the plane using the 3 points. So we have plane WXZ, WXZ, WXZ. Next is plane XYZ, XYZ. Plane YZW, YZW. And plane ZWX. Those are the name of the plane. Now let us have the collinear point. When do you say that it is collinear point? So, a point that lie on the same line. Example, we have here this point. We have point A, B, and C. They are lying on the same line. Therefore, points A, B, and C are collinear points. Next, non-collinear point. We can say that it is non-collinear point if the points do not lie on the same line. Example, we have here the line YZ, and in line YZ there is a 2 points here, Y and point Z, but there is 1 point that do not lie on the same line, meaning point XYZ are non-collinear, since point X did not lie on the same line. Now let us identify whether the given is collinear and non-collinear. So number 1, points A, B, and C are, yes, that is collinear, since these 3 lie on the same line. Number 2, points P, Q, and R are non-collinear points, since R did not lie on the same line. Number 3, points U and B are Correct. They are non-collinear since you did not lie on the same line. Number 4. Points S and T are collinear since they lie on the same line. Now let us have coplanar point. So we can say that it is coplanar if the points lie on the same plane. Example, we have here the points S, T, and R. So as you see, they are lying on the same plane, meaning they are coplanar points. Next is non-coplanar point. We can say that it is non-coplanar points if they do not lie on the same plane. Example, this one. So we have here 4 points. Point G, point I, point H, and point J. And our coplanar points here are point G, H, and I. But there is one point outside the plane, making these 4 points as non-coplanar points. So point J did not lie on the same plane. Now let us have this activity. Let us identify whether the given points are coplanar or not coplanar. So points B, C, and D are point B, C, and D are correct. They are coplanar points. Number 2, points M, point N, point P, and point Q. Correct. They are non-coplanar since point Q lie outside the plane. Number 3, we have point S, point Q, R, S, T, and U are correct. They are non-coplanar since these 2 points did not lie on the same plane. Number 4, points T, U, V, and W are correct. They are coplanar since they lie on the same plane.